So, yeah, this is the difference between living out in the country or living in the city on the 4th of July. If I was out in the country, I'd be lucky to hear my neighbor up the road blowing some fireworks off. Here, it's almost like every third house actually has fireworks. Oh my. My two kitties are hiding. Well, Angel's not. Indy is. Indy, last I seen, was in the basement. Yeah. Angel, she's all right. As long as she's close to me, she's fine. But Indy, no, he just wants to be gone. He wants to hide. Yeah, this is the neighbor next door. Well, 2 doors over from me. They must have bought a couple $100 worth of fireworks. Maybe even about $1,000. They've been going on now for about 20 minutes. Yeah. Holy mackerel. Let's see what they got. Must be the grand finale. Wow. This is almost better than when I seen fireworks the other day in town. This is crazy though. I've never heard fireworks like this ever before. I've heard it off in the distance, but well, I haven't lived in a city since I've been 8 years old either, so. Well, anywho, hey, this is Major signing out. Well, after I show you a little bit about my garage, how about that? The highlight of everything. I'm having a garage sale. Friday, Saturday, Sunday. I got more stuff to put out. There's my Corvette hood that I got for 20 bucks. 3rd generation Corvette hood. I'm gonna make something out of that door. Got other, I'm still going through stuff, but yeah. Anywho, hey, this is Major. You guys have a happy 4th. We'll talk at you later.